Hi friends, this video shows how to change default alarm sound. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, then select sound and vibration, go down. So here we can see default alarm sound, select it. So these are the alarm sounds. So right now this is the alarm sound which is enabled. From this list we can select one sound which for example let me so we can select one sound from this list. If you don't want, you can select none, and this is a default one. So we can select one sound from this list which you like. Okay, so this way we can change default sound. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.